We found an unusual trade worth $17 million on Marathon Digital stock, ticker symbol MARA, as the stock trades at a very strong support level. As you can see this year, every time it traded around here, it bounced up. And so will it bounce up again this time? Or will we break down below? In this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how wealthy investors are trading Marathon Digital stock. Are they bullish and buying or bearish and selling, so that we can also trade in the same direction to make money while the rich are getting richer on Wall Street? Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information and research, sometimes leaked insider information, to make better financial decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. Now, if you're not familiar with Marathon Digital, this is a digital asset technology company that mines Bitcoin. And so without further ado, let's dive into the data as usual. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, in the morning at 10:58 and 10:31, we had these unusual trades. October 18 options at the 17 strike calls, 5,000 of them, plus another 5,000, which is 10,000. And we also had these 17 strike puts, 5,000 plus 5,000, another 10,000. And we can see the price that they were paying for these calls, 173, which is the same position that we are also trading. These 17 strike calls that we also got into at the 17 strike. And you can see our position here. POS stands for position, green means buy, where we were able to buy these for 173. And when we analyze this trade, you can see that this is a bullish long trade. Now, why did we buy these call options? Well, because when we analyze this wealthy investors trade, where we can see here at the 17 strike puts, the 10,000 that they traded at the volume, clearly opening trades greater than the open interest of 1,500, and also at the call side, where the volume is much greater than the open interest. So we know both of the options they traded are opening trades. And based on our analysis, they were selling these 17 strike puts and buying the 17 strike calls. And when we analyze this trade, you can see here that this is clearly a long bullish trade. As the share price goes up, these options gain in value. The x-axis on this risk profile profit loss graph is the share price of Marathon. And so as it goes down, you can see it becomes more negative, because this is a long bullish trade, and we can confirm this by looking at the Greeks. The delta is a positive 100, because the strategy that they use was a long synthetic strategy, where they sold these 17 strike puts, which means they were willing to own 100 shares at the $17 strike price. And so each of the puts that they sold required $1,700. This is selling a cash secured put. And since there was 10,000 contracts, we multiply that out and we get a total trade cost of $17 million. But keep in mind, this is a higher risk trade, because there was actually additional data that was bearish. And what we mean by that is, if we take a look at more data, you can see here that about the same time here, 10:39, these 10 strike puts were being bought. And it's not just 1,337 of them. You can see they paid $310 for each of these puts for the January 16, 2026, we can actually see that there's more contracts here, 5,000 of them. And they're definitely opening trades because you can see only 870 open interests. And so they were buying these put options for 310 each. And when we analyze this trade, this is clearly a bearish position. As the share price goes down, these puts increase in profit. And we can see from the Greeks, this is a negative delta trade. So this is a bearish trade that is shorting Marathon. And because of this elevates the risk of our trade, and that is why we simply got into these 17 strike calls and used position sizing to manage our risk, because this is a higher risk trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website that are lower risk and higher probability of profit. So if you want access to those, then make sure to go to our website where we use this type of analysis, but with stronger data so that we can have a higher probability of profit. We'll put a link to our website up here where we also share our option strategies to reduce risk while increasing profits. Let us know in the comments below, do you think Marathon will bounce up from this support level or break down? As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a wonderful day.